Hey everyone, want to add your email account to your iPhone? It's super easy. In just a few steps, you'll be all set to send and receive emails. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit and tap on Mail. Next, tap on Accounts and then Add Account. Here you'll see a list of popular email providers. Select the one that matches your email provider, whether it's iCloud, Google, Yahoo, or another. Now enter your email address and password. Tap Next and your iPhone will verify your account. After that, you can choose what you want to sync with your iPhone: mail, contacts, calendars, and more. Select your preferences and tap Save. And just like that, you can now open the Mail app and start sending and receiving emails directly from your iPhone. And that's it. Now you're ready to manage your email on your iPhone. If this video helped, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more iPhone tips. See you in the next one.